Hoverbikes, another revolution. A hoverbike could be a vehicle that will hover. However, it resembles a motorcycle, primarily by having a minimum of two propulsive portions, one before and one behind the driving force. The Kai KFX could be a joint South Korean and Indonesian multirole airplane development program to provide a sophisticated multirole fighter for the South Korean and Indonesian air forces. The KFX development program, conjointly referred to as Boramae, Korean for and in Indonesia, is usually named IFX. As of September 2019, prototypes square measure beneath construction, with the primary of those expected to be completed by mid-2021. The primary check flight is anticipated in 2022, with producing regular to start in 2026. South Korea expects to deploy 120 of the craft into service by 2032. The revolution of the hoverbike is finally into the picture. However, you will have to be well fixed to join in. An American state company recently proclaimed that it might begin deliveries of its long-anticipated flying bike within the half of 2019 for associate calculable worth of $150,000. The HoverSurf S3 appears a small amount like what you get if you crossed a bike with a quadcopter. It's a seat for one rider and four horizontally mounted electrical propellers controlled by a joystick tri. The sub-250-pound craft is meant to skim over the landscape at the company-specified safe altitude, concerning 16-foot associated speeds of up to 60 miles an hour. By the manufacturer, its lithium manganese nickel batteries permit mobile tours of up to 25 minutes per the San Jose-based HoverSurf.
If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.